You guys, in the supermarket is mad empty. Guys, look at my supermarket. This never happened. Never happened. Well, 2 apple remain. Me not take them, eh? Let's go find brother. Brother is still sleeping. Oh, good morning. You're tired. You're still sleeping. Huh? It's time to go get breakfast and get ready for school. Good morning. Oh. Come on, let's go have breakfast. Alright?
Mama?
Yes, baby?
Guess what I'm going to have today?
What you gonna have today?
Surprise. Guess.
I can't guess.
P1 move.
But guess what happened last night? The French president says today is the last day of school because of coronavirus. So school will be closed as of Monday. No more school until a while.
Just like that I can take P1 moves all day.
Yeah, so you're gonna be home for a while. Okay? You're not gonna be sad, right?
Yes, I'm not hungry.
Alright. Have breakfast and we get ready. Say morning to the faves.
Mommy, let's see if Mama, can we go for my dodo?
Okay, sure. Sit and have breakfast and do it fast, okay? Good morning, Sarah. Say good morning. Good morning. Huh?
I'm late.
No, you're not late. Hi, faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I am doing morning routine to head out this morning. Look at my girl. Whoop. Say good morning to the faves. You guys, so much have been happening around here. It's just going crazy since yesterday. The president announced that all school will be closed as of Monday until he says when. So Tyler will be home as of Monday. Today is his last day of school, and I wasn't even going to send him today, but I said, you know what, let's send him just in case school have some extra information for us to get. They don't normally call, they normally relate in a book. So I said, let me send him to school this morning. So I'm getting him dressed for school, but it's the last day, and when Tyler come home later, baby's coming home a little bit early so that we can head to the supermarket to get some stock on some things. We have things that will last for a good while, but I need to get some final things, so I'm gonna run to the supermarket. I hope the supermarket is not a rush later come. So we're gonna run to the supermarket to get like extra snack for Ty and extra things to cook in the week because he'll be home, which means that I'm gonna have to provide lunch and dinner for him each day. Mama. So I'm gonna get some extra things at the supermarket to later, and to get some extra stock for Sarah also.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Ty.
We can. But if Papa is late, we will not be able to go to supermarket.
Yes, your mama can take the tram and go, and then Papa will come and pick us up.
What did it say?
Papa won't be late, but if Papa is late, you and I can take the tram to go, and Papa can come and pick us up. Come, put your foot in. Right?
Yeah.
Right, but Papa won't be late.
But
Papa is out of town. He's in St. Raphael today, but he's going to come home in time, so we get to go. Come, put your foot in.
Mama, I thought till Papa was going to work at the run.
Not today. That's what's up right now. I am going about my day as usual. Sarah, be careful. Come back here. Going about my day as usual. I'm gonna drop Tyler to school and then come back and work out and carry on with things around here until it's time to go pick him back up later. So yeah, it's coronavirus in full effect right now for everybody.
Everywhere there's coronavirus.
Right. And Tyler is fully aware of what coronavirus is. He's fully aware of what to do to help to prevent it. He's fully aware about the techniques of how to wash his hand and not to touch others and no hug and kisses. You guys see my little warrior? You see her? Come, little warrior, come. So yeah, that's what we are doing. Hopefully wherever you guys are watching from, especially my little island, you guys just be safe and eat up your veggies, you guys, and drink a lot of fresh juice and lemon and ginger and, you know, keep your immune system going. Sit.
Mama, it's time to go.
It's almost time to go. Let me do your hair and then we can go, okay?
Okay.
Keep your immune system
But
up.
I don't have my shoes.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put your shoes on.
I'm fast.
Yeah. And everybody just stay safe. It doesn't matter where you are. Be aware of your surroundings, and I know it's not easy to not put our hands in our face unconsciously, but just be mindful of it. If you're out, if you're home, then it kind of okay. If you're out and have to work out, just be mindful of hands in the face. I hope a lot of you will get to work from home. I hope Babe will also get to work from home. Let's see how that will go. Alright, you guys, we are heading out to... Come, Sarah.
That is almost a vacation.
Yes, but vacation officially starts today because today is the last day of school.
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Get shoes on. See, Fizz? Tell Fizz, see you guys later. See you guys later. Come back from dropping Tyler at school. I'm definitely not going to let him stay at aftercare today. I'm gonna pick him up early. This corona thing is just really hitting, and it's hitting and coming hard. So I'm just gonna jump and work out right now while my girl chill. This morning, and of course my girl sat in her chair and she slept and let me get a full workout. Ab work, hits, run, everything. I get it all this morning. So thank you, Mama, for letting me get my workout done. And I did a few things around here. I got fresh. I cooked some food so I can make some food for her later. I can blend it to make some dinner. She needs to go and take a nap, so she's gonna do that in a bit. But first I am gonna eat some lunch, and during lunch she's going to take a nap, of course. And then I'm gonna pick Tyler up from school and we're gonna head to the supermarket. So stay tuned for the supermarket haul. Baby's also gonna come home extra early. I think he's gonna leave work in about an hour or so because of this corona situation. So we're gonna do a little extra shopping so Tyler can have some stuff because we don't know how long he'll be home for. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I don't really have anything much to do around the house, so I'm just gonna eat and put Sarah down for a nap and then relax a bit before I go pick up Ty. Look at the face. Look up. Who is that? Who is that? You're just eating your finger because your mouth's bothering you. Yes, you want to sleep. I hope supermarket won't be crazy when we get there because of the announcement last night from the president. That's why I tell babe to come home early so we can just go and get off the road. You guys, my boy is home playing with his sister. We're just waiting on babe right now to come. He should be home in about 5 minutes, and then we're heading straight to the supermarket and coming back to stay inside. Outside is starting to feel scary and getting juicy. What do we sleep at night?
I want to sleep at night and start to the night I want to sleep.
Can you say hello to the faves?
Hello, face.
I'm home from school.
I'm home from school, Mama.
Yes, sir, Tyler.
Did you know that I want to sleep today and tomorrow? Did you know why?
Why?
Because I really want to do activity.
You're funny. Guys, look at my supermarket. This never happened. Never happened. Well, 2 apple remain. Me not take them, eh? Well, me can take orange for Sarah. Come for the orange.
Orange, yeah.
A good one.
Yes.
Orange ice cream.
Yes.
We can do orange ice cream at home.
Because first the supermarket empty as frig. Oh my god. But me not see what to take. There's nothing to take. There's nothing to
I'm
take.
telling you, otherwise, questions or whatever is there that you want, just get back.
Green juice. Mama, green apple for green juice. Green apple for green juice.
€2.59.
Ah.
Of course me need it.
We might have after we decide to take one at least.
This is crazy. There's no avocado, nothing. Well, at least I see broccoli. Chicken section is empty. Nothing.
Nothing
Well,
to
you
take
can
for
go pick up
Tyler.
on cordon bleu, but there is. I have the other one.
Oh
my gosh, everything's empty. Come. You guys, in the supermarket is mad empty. I mean, goods is mad empty. There's nothing that I normally buy every week. Nothing is here. Everything is empty. And there's so much people in here. It's crazy. I'm gonna have to go to another supermarket. Yes. Lettuce that I normally find for 90 something euro, 90 something cents. I pick up one lettuce for about 2 euro.
Hi guys, well, good morning, good afternoon, and good night everybody. It's the end of the day, it's the end of the chaos. We just come back from supermarket. We went to supermarket because it's Friday and we used to go on Friday, but it was a mess. Yeah, yesterday the president of France announced that starting Monday the school will be closed. Every type of school from preschool to university, everything will be closed for at least 2 weeks. So I guess this morning people, they panic. They went to supermarket, they stock everything. So we went there. It wasn't panic inside, it was just people like than to take 1 or 2 pack, they take 3 or 4 pack, they just take extra everything. So because we went late, we wanted to avoid the panic of the weekend. Tomorrow will be crazy. But when we reached there, it was kind of empty, but we still get a good amount of things.
No, not the supermarket, not inside was empty, but the goods were empty.
Yeah, the goods were empty. So yeah, we're here. We started. We're gonna do the supermarket haul. Oh, we also had to go to 2 supermarket because we couldn't find everything we wanted.
No chicken.
At the first one, no chicken, no avocado. I'm gonna say avocado is a second things, but no chicken. So
the chicken aisle was empty. The vegetable aisle was empty. The pasta was almost done. The rice was almost done. It was just, everything was just empty. I showed you guys a little clip of how in there look, but everything was just gone. Anyway, you guys, give back the floor to Dave.
So first thing we got this at the second supermarket. As we say, we get extra everything. We are like follow fashion monkey. That's how I say follow fashion. We're like a follow fashion monkey. We take extra everything. We used to get 2, but we get 3 this time. No, the third one wasn't for free or cheap or deal like in Jamaica, but we got 3 because we follow fashion.
No,
monkey.
we don't follow fashion. I get 3 because I want to get 3.
We follow fashion monkey.
Just for the record.
So we got 3 calories here. What is that?
I can take that in first.
Oh, we get that from the second supermarket. Is little piece. What kind of baby piece of chicken is that? Look how slim it is. It should be a slim chicken.
Yogurt.
We got a lot of yogurt, guys. A lot of yogurts. We get 2 pack. Usually we get 1 pack, but we got 2 pack this time.
Oh.
Yogurt for me, extra yogurt, me I tell you. Another yogurt. Oh, milk. That's the thing, we should get extra, but we didn't get extra. When I
Because
reached,
there was none.
that was the last. So I get 3. That was the 3 last. I have to open it. You know when it's the last one that you, so I have 3
something wrong.
that you see on the high and you say, something must be wrong with this one. So I took them, I opened them, I just look everywhere, I make sure it wasn't open, and yes, I have 3 new ones. Tyler give me all of this thing. He is shy today, don't want to give me the job. So Mint, we have to go to the frozen section, not to the fresh, because it wasn't none in the fresh section. Tyler give me all of this thing. We have some juice, orange juice, a lot of juice, apple juice, and some more apple juice. Tyler, you're getting strong. You can lift up the apple juice now.
Yes.
You walk out?
No.
No, you don't walk out? You sure you don't walk out?
Yes.
Oh, cookie. That's something in case of emergency you need to have a cookie. It's a must. So we have some happy biscuit too for Tyler. Tyler not going to school, but he need a lot of snack. So we have Prince biscuits, or maybe it's for Babe, I don't know. For Tyler, some more happy biscuit to be happy. That's the mood. Happy.
That one.
What is that one? Don't break it. So we have some more. I tell you guys, extra yogurt.
We get extra backup everything.
In case for supermarket we don't have to go for 2 weeks, we get extra yogurt for me. Hey, I will be home next week too. So I need extra things for me. Extra yogurt for Tyler. Alright, let's see what is there fast. Let's see what is there fast, because today we got a lot. We got a lot. We have some salt. We need salt in case of emergency. We need salt. We need apple. If there's one thing's last, apple.
And I still don't get no ginger.
No ginger. We need to find ginger somewhere. We have some carrots. Carrot. And if one thing lasts, it have to be M&M's. It's a must.
And you guys, I have to get a lot of things in frozen. You guys don't always buy a lot of fresh things like carrot and all those things. Everything was gone. So I have to get
onions for. You need to cry. You need to cry a lot. She need to cry a lot.
Tyler, take all the rest of things out the bag, please, and hurry.
Alright, what's next, Tyler? Look. Wow, it's a big supermarket. It's bread. Tyler is shy tonight. Tyler is shy. We got some bread. We got 2 types of bread.
Sarah, look what you did.
We got some
And we
chicken.
buy a plant that fall.
Oh yes, because of Sarah or Mama or I don't know, because of somebody. It had to be somebody. Oh, it's not me. I'm not on camera. Some more chicken, guys. We have this quiche Lorraine because we don't have much meat. We find things easy and fast to make. So we have quiche Lorraine. Quiche Lorraine is French. If you guys come to France, I think on our first trip, like 8-9 years ago, we went to a restaurant. She had one piece and she liked it, guys. She liked it. The real Jamaican first trip out of going to Europe and all of these things, and she had quiche Lorraine and she didn't throw it away. Oh, you need to try that. We have some confiture, strawberry confiture for me and for Tyler. Yes, for you too.
Yes.
We have some bread. We take bread, cheese in case we have to make sandwich. We might not be on the road. Let's see what we're gonna do, but we have everything we need to make sandwich. What is that? Is quinoa? Oh no. Quinoa. Quinoa should be the last thing to get. I mean, not to get. Keep it extra long. And we have some corns. Some corns, some good salad. What Tyler giving me is some extra yogurt, guys. You can see that in France, yogurt is not that expensive. We have some salad. You say that's this little salad that you get for €2 a piece?
Exactly.
But this one, it looks little less than the other one.
Little like, and normally I buy one lettuce for 95 cents.
I have to look at the bills. I don't trust you. I have to look at the bills.
Alright, look at it.
Salad, lettuce. Hey guys, what's there? Extra yogurt again. Looks like we're gonna
We
feed
buy
ourselves
on the
with
yogurt section.
One of the only foods that was remaining is orange. We have some orange Plus, we have some avocado. I tell you guys, there was an extra one for Follow Fashion Monkey. Is there?
So I'm going to Follow Fashion Monkey now. You are tired.
So we have an extra one. I don't know the person who pick it at the supermarket. She did. We have a lot of sweet potatoes. I tell you guys, usually we take 2. She take 4 or 5. So I guess no haul next week. We have some tuna, 2 tuna. We got some zucchini. How you call that?
Avocado, cucumber.
That's not avocado, that's cucumber. Guys, don't listen to her. Marion will tell you what is it. Extra dedication. And we got 4. That's I never saw 4. Now I'm wondering why the bill was so expensive tonight. We got things for the supermarket for breakfast. That's gonna be for me and
Tyler, you want fries?
Yes.
What else we
Yes,
have?
Mama.
We have some
Hot.
hair. What's called? What's the real name of this?
Tyler, what is this?
Rasta hair. What is it?
Actually.
A tree. Yeah, we all have the wrong name. We don't have the right name. Where do you guys figured out what it is? This is heavy. This is
Cabbage.
cabbage. Okay. So what we do is garbage. No garbage. We got fish. A good amount of fish. We got salmon. We got white fish. We always like to have white fish. And we got another salmon. Croque monsieur, just in case you have to do something kind of fast, you know, just put that in the microwave or in the stove. It's already made, it's already cooked, just have to make it hot. Some nuggets for Tyler. Tyler will be here for 1 week, so we have to find something to give him food. What is there? Another bag. I tell you guys, it's so much. We have ham, 2 extra ham. Monkey, me I say. And we have another big bag. What in it? Oh, some chicken. Finally, we find a good amount of chicken in the other store. Some mini pizza. It's important to have mini pizza in this time. Another pack of mini pizza, monkey. We got some shrimp, frozen food, shrimp.
Mama, look.
We got some frozen vegetables. When I get frozen food is fine in terms of it's more fresh.
That
Preserving is more fresh. That's a little polenta rice basmati. I think it's more fresh in the bag like this than in the tin. Oh, flamencush. Flamencush is from the northeast, Alsace, from the northeast of France. Same thing, if you come in France and you don't know that, it's very, very good. And we got 4. We never got 4. We're monkey.
It's a snake.
Same thing, we got 2. We're monkey, Tyler. It's a snake. Oh, we got 2 quinoa. Damn, if there's something that we could have get only 1.
Oh,
It was quinoa, but we got 2.
Look, is it this?
Oh, look what I find. Cordon bleu with raclette inside. I say it should be good.
Yeah.
That's gonna be for me, not for Tyler. I'm not gonna give no goodness for Tyler. No? You want goodness?
You believe him, Ty? You believe him? Come for your fries.
Whatever that is, that don't look like fish. Filet fish, but
No, you can't come in from the oven.
guys, let's see. What else we have here? We have another juice.
Another tree.
We have some carrot in the bag, in frozen food carrots.
Another tree.
Another tree. That really look like a tree. No, that look like bonsai. You see bonsai in Chinese? Another tree. Like bonsai. Look guys, bonsai. Bonsai.
I'm hurry to the house so we can go put Tyler to today.
Alright. That
Sorry,
finish.
Oh,
That finish, guys. Let's see if we have place in the.
I'm gonna have to put them in the back fridge.
Yeah, let's see where.
And I'm gonna put this girl to bed because look at her.
She escaping.
She tired.